Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I went for this movie called Pushpa, that is a Telugu film starring Allu Arjun and Samantha and Rashmika Mandana. And this film that is directed by Sukumaran, this Telugu director, is basically, it's all about this central character Pushpa, who is a redwood smuggler. There's this this whole cartel of people who do smuggling in the forests of the forests that border Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So at many levels this film is it'll, as an urban dweller, it'll open your mind to the fact that these activities take place, and it's all of it is illegal because there's a lot of deforestation involved, right? So honestly, I'll be very honest, this film was excruciatingly long. It's one of the only films where I was, in the actual sense, tempted to like get up midway and leave, because no, normally I'm the kind, I like to watch everything to the finish, which I did. Finally, I did watch this film to the end, till the last frame. But it's excruciatingly long, and there is so much of violence. Yeah, this film was just, it was one of the most violent films I've ever seen. But then, if you were to look at, it's a very sincere performance put up by Alu Arjun, and then you have Fahad Fazil also, this Malayalam superstar who makes his appearance in the second half, and Sunil, this comedian who, for the first time, we see him in the avatar of a villain, and it is, that's why this movie has many firsts. Like, for instance, even Samantha, the actress, she's there in this very titillating number. But on the whole, this is not a family entertainer. In fact, it's not even an entertainer, honestly. But yeah, I need to be true to myself, right? So yeah, Pushpa is the kind of film that you should watch if you like these films based on the underworld and all. It is a film with that definite slant. So it's already a 2.5 minute video, but really, but it's honest performances, and even DSP's music is very foot tapping, very catchy. So yeah, you could probably watch it once, but considering it's going to come on Amazon Prime, you might as well wait for it then. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.